Hi guys, welcome to Network Bit. This video I will fix in when your disk showing 100%. So guys, let's see. First open cmd by run as administrator. Okay. Then run this command. I will given this command in video description. Stop. After I stop this, run again this command. Yes, and it is successfully done. Okay, then search in power edit power plan. Click on this and click change advanced power setting. Then click restore plan default and press yes and OK. Third step is go to this PC option and click on properties and click change system setting and click advanced tab and click setting. Sorry, click on advanced tab and click on setting and click again advanced and click change option. Then uncheck automatic manage paging file size for all devices and click on C drive and click no paging file and click on OK and OK, apply and OK and OK, and you need to restart your PC. I will given this letter. Okay, I think that after restart your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share this video.